In production, time is money, and success is determined by efficiency and the highest possible overall equipment efficiency, or short, OEE. Paul and Julia are production managers, and they know the latest production KPIs have room for improvement, but optimizing the production process will require significant new technologies, such as artificial intelligence, to predict potential waste generation. Julia meets with the IT department to find possible solutions, but all suggestions lead to costly and lengthy IT projects. What now? They are looking for a solution that can be implemented quickly. Julia calls an expert who understands her challenges. He immediately refers her to the Smart Factory platform. In the Smart Factory platform App Store, Julia can search for industrial solutions that meet her objectives. Simply download the desired app and immediately have a cloud solution to integrate into the existing IT setup. Paul and Julia go to the marketplace to evaluate the first use case and quickly determine its value and changes needed for positive effects on OEE. The Smart Factory platform gives Paul and Julia an easy solution to ensure maximum efficiency in their production processes. What is your biggest production challenge? Smart Factory provides you with multiple solutions that help save time and money.